Students, now goes to discuss about the skeletal muscle. Muscles are mesodermal in origin. Okay, student. And muscles are three types mainly. These are skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and the cardiac muscle. Muscles shows different types of the properties: excitation, contractility, and the relaxation. These are shows by the muscles. Muscles which are attached to the bony structures, skeletal structures in the body, these are called skeletal muscles. Okay, student. Bundle of muscle fiber. Bundle of muscle fiber. These are called fascicle. Bundle of the muscle fiber is called fascicle. Okay, student. Fascicle covered with the connective tissue sheath is called perimysium. And another one, group of the fascicle, bundles of the fascicle is forms the muscle which is covered with the connective tissue sheath is called epimysium. Muscle consists of fascicle that consists of more number of the muscle fiber. Okay, student. Now structure about the skeletal muscle fiber. Skeletal muscle fiber that is covered with the plasma membrane which is called sarcolemma, and cytoplasm present in the muscle fiber that is called sarcoplasm, and muscle fiber that is shows the syncytium. What about the syncytium? Syncytium means multinucleate position, more number of the nucleus present in the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber. What about why this is the syncytium shows by the muscle fiber? Each one of the muscle fiber is formed by embryonic mononucleate fusion of the embryonic mononucleate myoblast cells. Okay, and because it shows the more number of the nucleus, and the peripheral nucleus is just below the sarcolemma, region of the sarcolemma, and the endoplasmic reticulum present in the muscle fiber, that is called sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum is a storage place for the calcium ions. More calcium ions present in the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is helps in contraction of the muscle fiber. And another one, large number of the parallel filaments. Large number of the parallel filaments present in the muscle fiber is called myofibrils. Now what about the structure of the myofibril? Myofibril that shows the alternate dark band, light band, dark band, light band, alternate arrangement. One is the dark band, another one is the light band. Now this is the arrangement. Also shows the striated appearance. This is the striated appearance due to the distribution of the two types of the proteins, different types of the proteins present in the light band and the dark band. Okay, one of the protein present in the light band and the protein present in the dark band. Okay, student. And another, this causes the striated appearance. Muscle fiber appeared as striated because distribution of the two types of the proteins present in dark and the light band. Now first about the light band. What about the light band? Light band that consists active protein and also with the two regulatory proteins which are called troponin and tropomyosin. Okay, student, these are troponin, tropomyosin present in the light band and also with the active protein. Light band is also called isotropic band. Light band also called isotropic band, I band. Okay, student. Next, another dark band. Dark band. Dark band contains myosin protein. Dark band contains myosin protein. This is the myosin protein that forms the A band, anisotropic band. Anisotropic band. These are the two types of the proteins. Proteins appeared as a filaments. Filaments formed by actin protein called actin filament. Filaments that are formed by myosin protein, these are called myosin filament. Okay, and thin filaments. Actin filaments are thin filaments and myosin filaments are thick filaments. Okay, student. Light band, also called I band. I band consists two types of the protein, actin and the regulatory proteins, and appeared as actin filaments or thin filaments. And another one, dark band. Dark band, it is also called anisotropic band, A band. This is the A band that shows the myosin filaments or thick filaments. Okay, student. And these are the bands or the filaments arranged as a rod-like structure and parallel to each other and expands throughout the longitudinal axis of the muscle fiber. Student, and the center of the I band, this is the I band, isotropic band. This is the region is I band. Okay, student. Entire the part is I band. If you observe the center of the I band, there is a elastic fiber. This is the elastic fiber in the center of the I band. That is called jet line. Jet line also called cross-eye membrane or Dobbe's line. Okay, student. Next, middle of the A band. If you observe, this is the region. Is called A band. Okay, A band that consists myosin filaments. A band means anisotropic band. Middle of the A band is with the thin fibrous membrane. This is the thin fibrous membrane present in the middle part of the A band. That is called M line. Okay, student, that is called M line. Another one, thick filaments arranged at the same level. Thick filaments are arranged at the same level and causes the stripped appearance. Okay, student. Else these are the skeletal muscles, also called stripped muscle and striated muscle, and also called voluntary muscle. Okay, student. Now, what about the sarcomere? Sarcomere, it is the portion of the myofibril between two jet lines. Okay, this is the one of the jet line. This is the another one of the jet line. This is the I band. This is also I band. Okay, student. And the portion of the I band that consists of jet line. This is the jet line. The portion of the myofibril between two jet lines. The portion of the myofibril between two jet lines. This is the jet line. The portion between the two jet lines, that is called one of the sarcomere, from this region to this. That is called sarcomere. Okay, in the myofibril, the portion between the two jet lines is called sarcomere. This is the sarcomere act as a functional unit for the contraction. Okay, student. And in the resting stage, when the muscle fiber is close to the relaxation or resting stage, these are the thin filaments. Are enter towards the middle part of the A band. These are entered to the inwards position. Okay students, edges of the thin filaments invades into A band. Edges of the thin filaments enter into the A band, middle part of the A band. And another side, this is the thin filament invades into the middle part of the A band at the time of the relaxation only, and overlaps the ends of the thick filaments. These are the thick filaments are also overlaps or the covers. Okay student, and under, what about the H band? What about the H band or H zone Ensen's disc? H zone, that means central part of the A band. Central part of the A band. This is the A band. This is the region is the A band. If you observe the center part of the A band, this is the center part of the A band. Okay student, that is called H band, Ensen's disc. H zone, H band, Ensen's disc. Okay student, this is the central part of the A band and without the thin filaments. In H band there is no thin filaments. There is no thin filaments. Thin filaments are absent in the H band. That only shows the thick filaments or myosin filaments. Okay student, this is about the structure of the skeletal muscle.